Hi folks, this is Joe McBride with MarineMax, Lake of the Ozarks. I'm standing on the 2020 Harris Sunliner 250. This is our center walk-through dual helm layout. As you see in the back here, very spacious loungers. Gives you great versatility for seating as well as storage. You'll notice this boat features the gray interior and the gray seagrass. Very good looking combo. Dual captain's chairs. At the helm, features a Simrad GPS navigation, JL audio speakers, lots of good charging options, USB port right there, features a Mercury digital throttle. This boat is powered by a Mercury 200 4-stroke, gives you great fuel economy and speed on this combo. Great setup for the lake, features in-floor storage, as well as a lot of seating in the bow. Great for entertaining. Large area right there, designed for your cooler or even a mat. Storage underneath the console. See the speakers set up there. Portable cup holders. Lots of cup holders. Great for you and your friends. Bring your drinks, cove out. Once again, this is Joe McBride with MarineMax. This is a 2020 Harris Sunliner. If you'd like more info, please contact us. And as always, these boats will be available to look at Marinemax.com. Thanks.